Hey, what's up guys, it's Peacemaker, and I want to show you my new case and motherboard I just got. I just got this today. I ordered it a few days ago. The case I got, hold on, I'm like all tangled, let me pull this out because it's very annoying. It's a Rosewill Blackhawk Ultra case. It is super big, and I got ooh, that's a little bright. There we go, an Asus motherboard. It's got a really nice front panel for USBs. It has 2 USB 3s, 4 USB 2. I don't believe I hooked these up. I don't use these very often. I plug my speakers in the back of the machine. It has a really big power switch, a reset switch. It's more detailed than the other case I had. And back here is it's like a SATA port. You can plug in like a hard drive if you have one in there. Right now it's covered because I'm not using it, and I really don't plan on using it. I really don't need to. So now then we're gonna look at hard drives. I have four hard drives in here. I have 1 SSD and 3 regular hard drives. I'm not sure which one is which. If I can actually see. Don't actually know which one is which. Oh, that one's the Western Digital blue. It's a Seagate. That's another Seagate, I think. I think the bottom one is 300 gigs. The third one down is 2 terabytes, and Western Digital is 640, and the SSD is 240. I think I'm not really sure. Then I have my disk drive right here. I don't really know who makes it. I think it's LG, but I'm not really sure. It was in my other computer. Here's I did a pretty good job at managing my wires, so you can't really blame me for trying. I tried to do my best, and I think it worked out pretty well. I mean, it's not as cluttered, but it doesn't look as bad because the case is so big. That is where pretty much everything comes out. There's they even came, oh, hold on, I gotta it's so big, it's like right next to my wall. Right here, the motherboard came with this, and that's basically for my CPU right here, because if I'd go all the way down to the power supply, I put them right in here, I routed them all the way up. It was originally supposed to come out right here, but then I didn't want it to reach all the way over to the motherboard, so I added this. That was on there in the first place. That was on there first, either way. But I just wanted to put it through here because it's neater. So as you can see, this case has so many fans, and I really like the red LEDs. It's good for a change. I'm used to seeing blue. My dad has a blue case, or blue LEDs, and I used to have blue LEDs, and it's nice to see some red ones for once. The motherboard is a Asus 990 Sabertooth revision 2.0, and it's actually really big. What I like about this is it's great for doing dual SLI configurations, because as you can see, my video card, the GTX 660, is Ti plugged into like a tan PCI Express 2 slot. There's also, if you go look below it, there's also another one, so I can put a second one down there. However, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to replace the 660 with probably a 770, and then probably get another 770 put right below that, so I can get the best performance out of using both cards, because it has a dual 16. And you could put 3. You could put 3 in there. I don't think you could fit 4, but if you can see, there is a black PCI Express slot right below my video card. I really don't think you can fit 4 in there. No, you can't. but you could do 3, but you'd be running 16, 16, and 8, I think. Yeah. As you can see, it's very quiet. Of like all the fans there's 8 fans in here. There's 2 right here. There's 2 right here. There's 2 up top. There's 1 right facing the back of the case, and there's 1 side fan. The power supply is the same, and my mom just texted me with a smiley face. There's quite a few reset keys on the motherboard. So you can see there's 1 right there next to the front panel connections, and there's 1 right here. It doesn't focus because it's gay, because iPhones suck. Well, not like actual iPhones, but like iPhone 4 sucks. Yep, there's 1, and let's see if we could get a better look at the 1 down here. Yeah. Alright. And I do think I did a much better job at managing my cables. You can see if this is any better look. Much better job. The RAM is 24 gigs of G-Skill at 1600 megahertz, I think. And the CPU is an AMD FX 6100 and overclocked to 3.5 gigahertz. I didn't want to overclock it too much, even though I could go over 4, but I really don't think that's a good idea because I am using the stock cooler, and I'm gonna get a water cooling system when I order my 770, and I might actually be getting an 8320. So yeah, this motherboard is really perfect for, you know, decent upgrades and stuff. I'm pretty good on RAM. 24 gigs is enough for me. But yeah, it's a really nice case. It's much easier to you know, configure wires, your wiring. It's just good. I like it. The motherboard is really good too. It comes with good software. We had a little bit of trouble at first because I don't think the motherboard didn't recognize what we were supposed to be booting off of, even though I already had a boot drive. But we fixed it. We're all good now. And yeah, so that's what it is. I will probably be giving you a computer update whenever I get some new stuff. Water cooler I will probably put on the top. I might take out that big fan and put my water cooler. I think that's a 120 millimeter fan. I'm not real sure. Or is it 240 mil? I think it's 240 and that's 120 and that's 240. I'm not really sure. I'm not really good at, you know, fan naming and size and stuff. I'm not, you know, I don't do that. But I don't know, if I get something new for my computer, I'll definitely show you guys, because I think it's really cool. But yeah, so that's it. And this is actually how big this thing is compared to my desk. Yeah, it's really quiet too, so yep. And I did manage to change the colors on my keyboard. It's red, actually. It looks pink because of the light shining on it. Yeah. So, that's it, guys. Hope you guys liked it, and, leave a like for this awesome case and motherboard I just got. More stuff coming soon. Don't know how soon, but, you know, soon enough. So, thanks for watching. See you guys later.